Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xca020007 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to reset the Windows Update components. Okay, so we have a script here. All you need to do is copy that script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat22 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Now this is one solution. The next one is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.